Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Croatia Airlines, Airlines member flight to Sarajevo. May we remind you that this is no smoking flight. Please don't have your hand luggage underneath the seat in front of you. Here is your best flight. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed in Sarajevo. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and do not open the overhead compartments until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Smoking is still not allowed. We wish you a pleasant day. Goodbye and thank you for flying Croatia.